Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play League of Legends, Wild Rift on your personal computer. The primary method involves using an Android emulator, which is a software application that mimics an Android device on your PC. This allows you to download and run mobile games and applications just as you would on a smartphone or tablet. We will explore popular emulator options and guide you through the setup process for a seamless gaming experience. Choosing the right emulator is crucial for a smooth experience. Factors like your computer's processing power and available memory should influence your decision. BlueStacks is a popular choice, known for its user-friendly interface and broad compatibility with many games. Always download your chosen emulator directly from its official website to ensure you receive a legitimate and secure version, protecting your system from potential risks. Once your emulator is installed and running, the next step is to get Wild Rift itself. Navigate to the Google Play Store within the emulator, just as you would on an Android phone. Search for League of Legends, Wild Rift, and proceed with the installation. After the game downloads, launch it and log in using your existing Riot Games account to access all your champions, skins, and game progress. To truly enjoy Wild Rift on your PC, optimizing your settings is key. Customize your keyboard and mouse controls within the emulator to mimic a traditional PC gaming setup, allowing for precise movements and ability usage. Additionally, adjust the in-game graphics settings to balance visual quality with performance. Within the emulator settings, consider allocating more RAM and CPU cores if your computer has them, which can significantly enhance your gameplay fluidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.